Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Fusion oil light. First, get into your car and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the controls on the left side of your steering wheel. You'll use these buttons to navigate through your car's display menu. Look for an option that says Settings or Vehicle in the main menu. This is where we'll begin the reset process. Once you're in the Settings or Vehicle menu, scroll down until you find the Oil Life Reset option. This is a crucial step, so make sure you select it carefully. After choosing Oil Life Reset, the system will prompt you to confirm your action. Confirming will allow you to proceed with resetting the oil life monitor. You should then see the current oil life percentage displayed on your screen. To complete the reset, press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel controls. You'll need to hold this button down for several seconds, typically around 5 to 10 seconds, until the system registers the reset. Keep holding until you see the oil life percentage change. Once the reset is successful, your display should show the oil life at 100%, indicating a fresh start for your oil monitoring system. After resetting, start your Ford Fusion's engine to confirm that the oil change light is no longer illuminated. It's always a good practice to regularly check your oil levels between changes to ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. For more great deals and to find those leak-proof meal prep containers, make sure to check the description below this video. Keeping up with routine maintenance helps extend your vehicle's life and prevents future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.